the music that we choose. It's the music that we choose. It's the
Super K-pop quiz.
music that we choose. It's the music that we choose.
Of course, we have our quiz and presents ready for you today as well. Listen carefully and make sure to post your answers on our message board. One lucky winner will get a signed CD from us. Recently, the top dogs of the Korean music scene, one of my personal favorite groups, Big Bang, has made their comeback. Each member was actively promoting separately, and it's been a while since they all gathered to release an album together. People went crazy with this comeback, and of course, Big Bang didn't fail to deliver. They released an amazing song. It was written together by YG Entertainment's Teddy, the all-amazing G-Dragon, and Top. And what is the title of the new Big Bang song released on May 1st? A. Loser. B. Winner. C. Draw. Now, we will only accept the answers written on our message board, so log on to the Arirang website, www.arirangradio.com, and leave your answers. We will announce the winners on our message board, so please be sure to check it out. If you get the answer right, we will give away signed CDs of EXO. Yes, sir, EXO. So be sure to leave your answers on our message board. Now we have to listen to Big Bang's new song, so here is Loser.
Loser, 외톨이 센 척하는 거